Now, as we told you earlier, two-time defending champion Daniel Williams and the national record holder Nikisha Price are two of the Jamaican athletes eagerly anticipating the start of their competition at the Tokyo World Championships. Our reporter in Tokyo, Jermaine Brown, gives us the latest.
Right, so we're standing here outside the training facility, which has been selected for the athletes here at the World Athletics Championships. Of course, Jamaica's athletes have continued their preparation for the start of the championships. Among them is defending women's 100-meter hurdles champion Daniel Williams. Williams, of course, is one of 3 Jamaicans who are back to defend their world titles, and she explains why she's ready to defend her title.
I feel like I'm right where I am, the latter part of the season. August, I like to say August and September is my time of the year. And so, it shaped up well. August, I ran my 3 fastest times of the season at a personal best. And so I feel like I'm in a good spot going in.
And this will be the second time that Williams will be defending her title at the World Championships, having also won back in 2015. And she says there's no pressure.
No pressure at all. I don't even think about it. Don't think about defending the title. As I said, it's a new title to be gained. As a new year, there is never any pressure on me because I'm never the favorite going in. And so I just go in and do my best every championship. Do the best that I have and trust that God will bring me through.
Yeah. Williams is also philosophical about her readiness for these championships.
First, I'm not defending any title. There's a new title to be gained. So that's my focus, right. Gaining a new title. 2, I wasn't in Totori. 3, this is my second training session here.
Yeah.
So, it's been fun. It's a bit of an adjustment to the heat. It wasn't that hot where I was, so coming here, it's definitely way hotter. So just trying to get adjusted to that. But, I feel good. Had a great session today and just looking forward to racing.
Also expressing her readiness for the championships is national champion and national record holder Nikisha Price. Of course, she'll be competing in the women's 400 meters.
To stay healthy, listen to what my coach told me to do, and actually make the finals. That's my aim right now.
And Price says there's one thing for certain.
A gold medal, for sure. And I'm going to work on that so I can leave home with a gold medal.
And a number of Jamaicans will be in action on the opening day of the championships. Among them, national women's discus champion Samantha Hall. The mixed 4x400 meter relay team will also be in action in the morning session on the opening day. Of course, the heats of the men's and women's 100 meters will be contested in the evening session. Reporting live from Tokyo, Japan for the World Athletics Championships, I am Jermaine Brown.